Hey everyone, welcome to the Macrame channel. I'm Jess M. Thank you for joining me today. So the last few weeks I've been doing sort of mini videos on quick tutorials on how to make DIY holiday decor. However, today I'm switching it up. For my last holiday spirit Christmassy video, I'm going to go over last minute holiday gifts, which will include mainly stocking stuffers or eco-friendly or sustainable gift ideas. So let's change it up a bit. What is more Christmassy than shopping last minute for holiday gifts? The answer, absolutely nothing. So this list will be including some of the things that I made, but also giving you ideas of other DIY gifts that are relatively inexpensive and easy to make. So let's start with some holiday cheer, which is hot cocoa. So it's pretty simple. I took an old pickle jar that I had and a plastic risotto container. I took off all the labeling and just took Mod Podge and printed off some decor, but it's pretty easy. Just Mod Podge onto the glass or plastic container, stick on whatever label you're going to do, and then put Mod Podge over it. Plain and simple. So making a handmade hot cocoa mix is fairly easy. I actually used a recipe and it tasted awful. As my husband put it, it tasted like dirty water. Not very encouraging. So you might have to find the exact hot cocoa mix you like, and I can tell you mine was not it, and I had to play with the recipe and then the quantity I was using to get the right amount. It's a very good, sustainable, eco-friendly gift idea. If you end up doing that one, another way is by taking the Mod Podge you have left over and some, I don't know, extra gift wrapping paper, and then putting it around a glass container. So it will basically make a DIY Christmassy candle holder. All you have to do is take old glass containers or maybe an old wine or whiskey glass, and you Mod Podge the same thing, put Mod Podge around the glass, and then put the extra gift wrap paper. You can use a photo, even rope around it. It's just a really nice way of making it more of an intentional DIY gift. Another great way to reuse glass containers is to make a vase. So you can either do the same thing with a glass container and Mod Podge. Another suggestion is to take acrylic paint. I think you can use any type of paint. You add some baking soda until you get like a nice texture to it, and you just paint it onto the glass container or vase you're recreating. Sorry, vase you're recreating. I just was trying to be funny and then I kept using it. So that way it creates a really nice textured look, and it's a little bit more custom for your friends and family. The next gift idea is actually creating custom coasters. There's a ton of ways you can do this. My favorite one I've seen online so far is taking a ceramic or like epoxy coaster, dip it in water, and make this like marbling effect with nail polish. Look up tutorials on it. It's pretty nifty. There are a ton of ways you can make custom coasters. What I'm doing personally is wood coasters. I'm painting a winter scene on it, and then I'm sealing it with Mod Podge. Another sustainable gift idea I like is making little planters out of old plastic containers and glass containers, and then sort of like customizing it for the person. It's a really good sustainable gift idea because there are a lot of smaller containers you don't think you would be able to reuse, but you can actually reuse them for succulents, growing seeds, or even air plants, and they're pretty classy gifts. So the next several gifts I personally didn't make. These are just ideas for you to take and hold and maybe curate in the future. So I'm just going to ramble them off, post some pictures with it. Enjoy. So my list. First one is natural soap. It's good for the environment, it's natural, doesn't have any chemicals, doesn't use petroleum. It's a very good, sustainable, eco-friendly gift idea. The next one is lip balm. It's fairly easy to make and DIY, and you can make it all naturally, so that is also an option. Very nice, handmade, eco-friendly, sustainable gift. Another idea based off the lip balm idea is making a salve for headaches. There are a lot of really good recipes for your friends who have migraines and headaches that are all natural. and that would be really considerate if you have a friend or family member that battles with this condition. Some other similar gift ideas in regards to like making more natural products would be candles, natural perfumes or lotions, sugar scrubs, or bath bombs. You could also go the classic route of making homemade fudge or candies. And then for a few of my personal favorites, I really like the idea of making a custom recipe cookbook for your friends and family, or even clients, or even like a children's book. I just think it's a very sweet and considerate gift. Another one is trying your hand at macrame and crocheting. It's always a very time-consuming gift, but people will see how much effort you put in and it will demonstrate your love. The last one is actually personalizing mugs and tumblers, because they can be reused in the future, so I still think they're quasi-sustainable. And also, I personally make these. I do a lot of individual client gifts. You can check out my website, themarketdesigns.com, and I'll show you a few of ideas that I made for family and friends and clients. And I hope it gives you a little bit of inspiration as well. I hope this video helped you for some last minute DIY holiday gifts and sustainable, eco-friendly gift ideas as well, stocking stuffers, all that jazz. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. That'd be very nice of you. And remember to subscribe to the Macrame channel so you can stay up to date on all my content and get more of this vase. And as always, thank you again for watching. I hope you have a magical holiday season and stay safe out there. Bye.